There's a simple mineral that is the key to stronger immunity, better skin, sharper brain, and a lot more. But here's the catch. Most people don't get enough of it, and they don't even know it. This mineral deficiency might be showing up in the 7 warning signs that you could be lacking zinc. At the end of today's video, the best foods for increasing your zinc levels and how to supplement. You will be surprised. Welcome to Levitas. Let's dive into why this mineral is so essential and how it can radically improve your well-being. Zinc is a powerhouse mineral that plays a critical role in nearly every system of the body. One of its most essential functions is supporting your immune system. It helps activate T cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and even cancer cells. So, if you've been getting sick more often than usual, low zinc might be to blame. But that's not all. It also plays a vital role in wound healing, helping tissues repair and regenerate faster. This is why people with low levels of this mineral often experience slow recovery from injuries or surgeries. On top of that, this mineral is also essential for cognitive function and memory. It helps in the communication between neurons, improving mental clarity, focus, and even mood regulation. It also has a significant impact on skin health. It helps reduce inflammation and supports collagen production, which is why it's often found in skincare products for acne and eczema. And let's not forget that zinc is also important for hormone balance, particularly for reproductive health in both men and women. With so many vital roles, it's clear that this is one mineral you don't want to miss out on. So, what are the 7 warning signs of a zinc deficiency? Now that we know how important zinc is and where to find it, let's dive into the 7 key signs that your body is trying to tell you that you might be zinc deficient. Sign number 1. Do you feel like you're catching every cold, flu, or infection that's going around? Frequent illness is one of the most telling signs of zinc deficiency. Since zinc plays a critical role in immune function, low levels mean your body is less equipped to fend off viruses and bacteria. When your T cells are underperforming, you're more susceptible to infections, and recovery tends to take longer. Sign number 2. If you've noticed that cuts and bruises seem to be taking forever to heal, this could be another red flag. Zinc is crucial for tissue repair, collagen production, and the overall healing process. Without enough zinc, your body struggles to produce new cells to replace damaged ones, leading to prolonged healing after injuries or surgeries. Sign number 3. Zinc is vital for maintaining the health of your hair follicles. A deficiency can cause thinning hair or even hair loss, as the body prioritizes more essential functions over hair production when nutrients are scarce. If you're noticing more hair in your brush or shower drain, low zinc levels could be the culprit. Sign number 4. Are you dealing with acne, eczema, or dry skin? Zinc helps control inflammation and supports skin regeneration. Without it, your skin can become more prone to breakouts, redness, or slow healing of blemishes. Zinc deficiency is often linked to skin conditions, and many topical treatments for acne contain zinc because of its healing properties. Sign number 5. If your favorite foods just don't taste the same, or you're having trouble picking up on certain scents, this could be a sign of zinc deficiency. Zinc is involved in the proper functioning of your taste and smell receptors. A lack of zinc can dull your senses, making it hard to enjoy meals or detect odors. Sign number 6. Struggling with focus or memory. Zinc plays a role in neurotransmitter function and brain health. Low levels can lead to cognitive decline, memory problems, and difficulty concentrating. If you're experiencing brain fog or struggling to stay sharp, it's worth considering whether your zinc intake is up to par. Sign number 7. Zinc helps regulate appetite and metabolism, so a deficiency can lead to a lack of hunger or unintentional weight loss. This is especially common in older adults, who may have a reduced ability to absorb zinc from food. If you're noticing a drop in appetite or unexplained weight loss, it could be a sign that your zinc levels are too low. Now that we know why zinc is essential, where can you get it? Luckily, there are plenty of foods rich in zinc that you can easily incorporate into your diet. The best sources are animal-based proteins. Oysters are by far the richest source of zinc, with just 6 oysters providing more than 500% of your daily zinc needs. Red meat, particularly beef and lamb, are also excellent sources. A 3-ounce serving of beef contains about 4.8 milligrams of zinc, which is 44% of the recommended daily intake for adults. If you're looking for plant-based options, seeds, nuts, and legumes are your go-to. Pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds are particularly high in zinc. A quarter cup of pumpkin seeds provides nearly 20% of your daily needs. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are also good options, though plant-based zinc is not absorbed as well as animal-based sources. To boost absorption, pair these foods with vitamin C-rich items like bell peppers or lemons. The recommended daily intake for zinc is around 8 milligrams for women and 11 milligrams for men, though this can vary based on factors like age, lifestyle, and health conditions. If you suspect you're deficient in zinc or just want to ensure optimal health, supplementation may be necessary, especially if you're not getting enough through diet alone. But not all zinc supplements are created equal, so it's important to choose the right type for your needs. Zinc gluconate is one of the most common and affordable forms of zinc. It's often found in cold remedies because it's effective for boosting immune function. Zinc citrate is another good option, known for being well absorbed and gentle on the stomach, making it ideal for daily use. If you have digestive issues, zinc picolinate may be a better choice, as it's considered one of the most bioavailable forms, meaning it's more easily absorbed by the body. The recommended daily dose is between 20 to 40 milligrams per day. But if you're severely deficient, your healthcare provider may recommend a higher dose for a short period. However, it's important to note that excessive zinc can cause adverse effects, such as nausea, vomiting, or impaired immune function. Supplementing with zinc can be an easy way to ensure you're meeting your daily needs, especially if you have difficulty getting enough through food alone. However, it's always best to aim for a balanced diet rich in zinc-containing foods to maintain optimal health naturally. In conclusion, zinc is a crucial mineral with far-reaching effects on overall health, from immune function to cognitive health and skin vitality. A deficiency in zinc can manifest in various warning signs, such as frequent illness, slow wound healing, and even hair loss. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, your body may be signaling that it's running low on this essential nutrient. Foods like oysters, red meat, and seeds are excellent sources of zinc. But if you are unable to meet their daily needs through diet alone, supplementation may be necessary. However, it's essential to choose the right form of zinc and stick to the recommended dosage to avoid adverse effects. Prioritizing zinc through balanced nutrition or supplements can have a significant positive impact on your immune system, skin health, mental clarity, and much more. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.